Before we get into everything today, I want to talk about why I do this.
Your why is what keeps you motivated when things get tough. For me, it's about helping people grow and sharing what I've learned. But your why might be totally different. The key is to know it and let it guide you.
Overthinking, it's a killer. The best thing to do is push record, get started, see what happens. It's not about perfection, it's about progress.
Sometimes you just gotta have fun, relax. We all make mistakes, but that's how we do it. That's what being authentic looks like.
One of the most important things that I've learned is speak my truth. I mean, share your wins, share your losses, and everything in between, because that's how you are being real. And people want real, not perfection, because that's how it builds connection with your audience.
This is what I used to do, relying way too much on the teleprompter. It made me sound robotic, and I hated that. Now I just simply use some bullet points to stay on track and keep the conversation natural. Whenever I'm stuck, I go for a walk or do a quick workout. It clears my head and gets my creativity flowing again. Some of my best ideas come when I'm not sitting at my desk. Consistency is everything, whether it's a great day or a rough one. The key is to keep showing up. That's how you build trust and connection with your audience, by being there consistently. There will always be resistance, moments when you feel trapped, but that's where real growth happens. Push through, and you'll come out stronger on the other side.
So my last tip in this video isn't anything revolutionary. It's just something that I've learned actually by creating this particular video, is that I want to share the progress in which I grow this channel, how I grow this channel. I honestly believe that creating a channel and being authentic and real with it and sharing your thoughts and goals with others helps them grow as well. So if you guys are anything like me and you're struggling to get your content out there and produce something, hopefully there's something in this video that you've learned. I'm more of a camera guy and video guy than I am a content creator. And that's, even though that is content, putting it all together with something meaningful that provides value is something different. Showing a photo is a photo, but when you wrap it around something that has meaning and value, then it's something different. That's what I really want to do with this channel, is be able to help you guys move forward in whatever I can help with. I'm not perfect, I'm far from it, but hopefully help you with those areas as well. That's my rant towards the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching the whole thing. And if you're so inclined to subscribe, that would be awesome. And go ahead and hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, until next time, this is Chris Floyd. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.